All right, this video I'm really excited because we're going to be making pizza, a little vegan, veggie, everything on it, and a little personal size thing. And we're going to be using a Dutch oven style cooking method that I tried yesterday, and it was so cool. It worked out so well that I needed to make a video, and I'm going to try to make one improvement on it. And so basically what this was is we take these and we flip them upside down, and then we clip them together with binder clips. I'm not even positive that the binder clips are really necessary, but maybe it'll help some heat from escaping. So what we're going to do is just set the first one on there, and then so much smoke it looks like the flames went out, but the flames are perfectly fine. They'll come out of here and then come up to the sides, and then we'll put our pizza in there. And now the difference was, though, when I did this last time, I just stuck the pizza right on the bottom, and it turned out that the bottom burnt quite a bit, and it still tasted really good. It just gave it a little bit of carbon. It tastes like an oven roasted pizza. But this time I'm going to try something different, using the concept of a pizza stone, and it's just a rock that I found just lying around. I figure I'm gonna stick it in. I didn't clean it or anything, but I'm gonna stick it in here, and it's gonna heat up to probably 500 degrees, and it's gonna be really awesome. Wait, did I actually put my flame out? I can't tell if my flame is still running or not. I'm just gonna check on this a second. Well, that's pretty hot already. Oh, my flame is still going really well. So this will work fine. I'm using the shorter one just so that it can fit what I'm trying to do. So I'm actually going to put this pizza rock in there, put the lid on, and then we're going to let it preheat for a little while, and then I'm going to come back to it. And oh, I can go ahead and show you what the next step is. What I did, the thing that I figured out is, I don't know if you remember this box that I used as a reflector in one of the early videos. I figured out that you could just use this as an oven just by sticking it right over there like that and putting the lid down. And I had a thermometer in there yesterday, and it easily maxed it out. Over 200 really fast. I'm pretty sure it probably gets over 400 in here. And then what you're figuring is that inside that actual black pan, it's going to get a lot hotter, so it can cook your pizza. So I'm going to let it preheat. I'm going to come back to it in just a moment. Alright, so I'm back, and a couple things happened while it was paused. Is that I figured out that I did need to have the taller one, just because it had better ventilation, I think. And in general, the taller can on top has more ventilation. So, how did I accomplish that? Well, apparently all I did was that I just had the box all the way extended, and I stuck another flap on top, just another piece of cardboard. So that's what I did, and I left it there to preheat. I'm just going to trust that it's preheated now, and the fire's definitely still going. So I'm just going to lift the top. I'm going to use this magnet, and I'm just going to grab that tin can on top, pull it up, stick my pizza right on to the pizza stone, hopefully. Let's grab that. The pizza stone has moved all over the place, unfortunately. Let's get that pizza off of there. See if I can nudge the pizza stone a little bit. Put this back. Unfortunately, you can't see any of this. Nudge the pizza stone without knocking the stove over. Come on. Okay, it's close. It's not really the way I want it. I'm now grabbing the pizza with pliers. It's not working the way I wanted it to. There, now it worked. So it's a little bit slanted, not perfect, but just, it's a stone I found. Maybe in the future, if it actually works, then I can invest in a better pizza stone. So I just put these back up there. Again, all I did is make a flap. It's nothing hardcore here. No hard work. It's just the same dumb thing that I made in an earlier video. Just put the lid on, and then I can also like get a, I think I have one of these heavy rocks. I think I just use this heavy rock and put it on top to keep it that, and then we're just gonna let it bake and see how it turns out. All right, time for a pizza check. Okay, before I do, one thing I want to point out, if you can see it at all, is I have this little rock here under here, and just to make sure that there's enough airflow so that you can actually get some air so that the fire can breathe. So let's take the top off, check it out. One thing is that this produces way more smoke than any other cooking method I've used. So I'm just going to grab the phone camera now, and as well as a flashlight. See if I can maneuver this well enough for you to see. Is it going to work? Yeah, so let's see what the status is. Take that off. Whoops. Okay, this magnet may not be the best idea in the world. Holy crap, that looks amazing. That looks amazing. Alright, let's see how the bottom is. This was the critical part. The crust feels really good, and the bottom looks very... Okay, I know this is not lined up. Let's try to do this with one hand. And, okay, try again. There's the bottom, and it looks really good. So, this method, one thing about this method is it produces way more smoke than I am used to. It seems to go along with the territory until I come up with a better way, then maybe I'll mention it to you. So, I'm going to go eat my pizza now.